see as sort of the general perception of Jewish culture in Poland now, today?
There is a group in society on the academic level and on the non-academic level in all parts of the Polish society that for them it's a problem. It's a negative problem of Polish history that the Jews were so much present. And the Jews are always a problem, like for these people. And also there is a other radical side. I think also I don't like so much attitudes of this kind of people, that these people being kind of critical towards some negative aspects of Polish society, of xenophobia, of it being closed, they use the Jewish history, the Jewish studies as an instrument of a critique of Polish society. So Jews are used to attack all the bad sides of the Poles, of xenophobia, etc. And I think this kind of attitude also instrumentalizes the Jews. You can find it, for example, in some of the anti-Semitism research that is so much concentrated on anti-Semitism, then the Jews inside there, they are only behaving, the only factor in Jewish history is anti-Semitism. They don't have their autonomous history, they don't have their autonomous culture, they don't react towards anti-Semitism, they're all the time victims. And I think that's a problem, that in Poland Jewish studies are so much dominated by the studies of anti-Semitism that we lose Jewish presence, we lose the Jewish history, we lose the Jewish subjectivity. And also sometimes, I don't want to say about everybody doing this kind of Polish critical history with kind of a Jewish content, but part of this history, part of these people are people who very much love the Jews who are not here, but not so much like the Jews who are today. Though they are very stereotypic towards Israel, etc., etc. So, and they're not very empathic, I think, towards the Jewish experience. So this kind of, there is also this kind of, Jewish studies also are present in this context in Poland, and also in this context of anti-Semitism that is prevailing. But these are two extremes, yes? I think that there is a general core of accepting and understanding the Jewish presence, which is very, very important. And in terms of academic studies, Jewish studies have their place in Poland.